Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Keepers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481381382, and today we have a 2008 Ford Mondeo TDCi Hatch. Stock reference number 4646. This shape runs from the 10th month 2007 through to the 12th month 2014. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which has one small dent, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mag. The left front has a bald tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear door has 1 small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Left hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents. Right front door has 1 small dent. Right guard has 2 small dents. Right power door mirror. And right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory Sony 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.